We live in a pretty tough world when it comes to marketing, especially online. In other words, it's a matter of who believes who. My name is Peter Beckett. I'm the Village Marketer, and I want to share some thoughts with you that you need to truly get them really clear in your head. When you're meeting someone for the very first time, this is what's in their head. It doesn't matter what the situation is. The first thing is this: do I trust you? What are you trying to sell me? We are in a skeptical, uncertain world, and these thoughts are in their mind. Do I trust you? And what are you trying to sell me anyway? Right? So you're starting from way behind the 8 ball. Second, if I do trust you, even a little bit, do I trust you enough to actually open up and share what the truth is about the problem that I'm facing? Thirdly, assuming I had enough trust in you to open up and share the truth about the situation I'm facing, do I also have enough trust in you to fix the problem that I've got? They are the things that are in the potential client's mind. They're there. They're never going to be spoken to you. They're never going to tell you that, but they're sitting there. And if you were smart, you would put them on the table. This takes guts, I can tell you. But you've got to be vulnerable. You've got to be transparent, and you've got to be authentic. And just, could you do this? Could you say to somebody, for example, when you just met them for the first time, look, you probably don't trust me at all because you don't know who I am. And I accept that. I truly accept that. Just take it back on yourself, right? Then think of the other things I just shared with you about trusting to open up and tell you the truth, or trusting to open up, tell you the truth, and trusting you to solve them. Put them in the conversation. Put them on the table. Okay? Put them on the table. I can tell you, if you do that, you'll completely change the conversation you have with people. And another thing, which is even better than that, they will trust you. Because all of a sudden, you are talking about them, what's important to them, and not trying to sell your stuff. That's my thoughts for today. Think about it. It's extremely powerful. It's counterintuitive. It's the absolute opposite to traditional sales, but it works. If you want to hear any more about it, message me and I'll share some other thoughts, because we just touched the tip of the iceberg when it came to this. All the best from Thailand. Bye for now.